Hey there, food lovers. Ever sink your teeth into a quarter pounder with cheese and wonder, what makes this burger so darn good? I'm here to break it down for you. We're diving into the delicious world of this iconic burger. Get ready for a flavor explosion. This ain't your average burger, folks. It's a symphony of taste and texture. From the juicy beef to the melted cheese and those classic toppings, every bite is a party in your mouth. So let's fire up the grill and get this burger journey started. We're talking about a real American classic. Buckle up, it's gonna be a wild ride. First up, the star of the show, the beef. A whole quarter pound of juicy, flavorful goodness. That's right, folks, a quarter pound of pure beefy bliss. They use fresh, never frozen beef, seasoned to perfection. It's cooked on a flat-top grill. This gives it a nice crust. The inside stays juicy and flavorful. It's like a flavor volcano erupting in your mouth. Get ready for a beefy blast. Next up, the cheese. Melty, gooey, and oh so delicious. It's the perfect companion to that juicy beef. We're talking real cheese here, folks. None of that processed stuff. They use a blend of American cheese. It melts like a dream. It gets all gooey and stringy. Every bite is a cheesy delight. Now let's talk toppings. The quarter pounder comes with the classics. Lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles. They all add their own unique flavor and crunch. But here's the best part. You can customize your burger. Add bacon for a smoky twist. Go for extra cheese if you're feeling indulgent. The possibilities are endless. It's all about creating your own perfect burger masterpiece. So get creative and let your taste buds run wild.